What's inside Lioness Ready Multivitamin? And why was each ingredient chosen specifically for women? Let's break it down. Lioness Ready Multivitamin is a complete daily formula, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants built around the specific needs of a woman's body. Let's start with your immune shield. Vitamin A supports vision, skin health, and immune function. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble antioxidant that keeps your epithelial cells, the barrier between you and the outside world, strong and healthy. It supports the production of white blood cells and keeps your mucosal lining intact so pathogens can't get in. Vitamin C, your most active immune vitamin, drives white blood cell production, powers collagen synthesis, and is one of the body's strongest antioxidants. Collagen isn't just about skin, it holds your joints, tendons, and organs together. Vitamin C keeps that framework strong. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects cell membranes, works with vitamin C to neutralize free radicals and reduce cellular aging, supports heart health, and keeps your skin supple from the inside. Now your structural foundation. Calcium carbonate, the backbone of your bone density. Women begin losing bone mass earlier than men, and the deficit compounds with age. Calcium keeps your skeleton strong, your teeth intact, and your muscles able to contract properly. Vitamin D, the key that unlocks calcium. Without adequate vitamin D, calcium cannot be absorbed from the gut into the bloodstream. Vitamin D also supports immune function, muscle performance, and mood regulation. Most people living indoors are deficient. Magnesium, involved in over 300 metabolic reactions. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation, sleep quality, blood pressure, energy production, and nerve transmission. It's essential for reducing cramps, managing PMS symptoms, and supporting cardiovascular health. Now your energy system. B vitamins, your metabolic engine. B1 converts food into fuel. B2 activates every other B vitamin. B3 supports heart health and DNA repair. B6 regulates neurotransmitters, serotonin, dopamine, GABA, supporting mood and brain chemistry. B12 is critical for red blood cell production, nerve health, and sustained energy. Without adequate B12, fatigue and brain fog become chronic. Iron. Women lose iron every month. Iron deficiency is the most common nutritional deficiency in the world. It's essential for hemoglobin production, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. Low iron means low oxygen delivery. Low oxygen means fatigue, weakness, and poor concentration. Folate. Critical for DNA synthesis and cell division. Folate supports red blood cell formation and is essential during pregnancy for neural tube development. For all women, folate supports cardiovascular health and reduces homocysteine levels. Now for radiance and balance. Zinc supports immune function, hormone balance, and healthy skin. Zinc regulates the activity of over 300 enzymes and plays a key role in wound healing and thyroid function. Clear skin often comes down to adequate zinc. Biotin, the beauty mineral. Biotin supports healthy hair growth, strong nails, and skin clarity. But it also serves as a coenzyme in fat and carbohydrate metabolism, supporting energy production at the cellular level. Every ingredient in Lioness Ready Multivitamin was chosen with intention. Immune protection, structural strength, energy metabolism, hormonal balance, radiance. This is not a one-size-fits-all vitamin. This is women's nutrition done right. Lioness Ready Multivitamin, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.